Hi everyone, welcome to Linden Use and Cooking. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, just to let you know you're welcome and I'm happy to have you. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely and delicious mango and oats with a couple of nuts like pumpkin seeds, chia seed, flax seed smoothie. And this is a weight loss smoothie, very healthy, very good for your well-being. Let's get into the video. So to make our weight loss smoothie, as you know, it's coming on to summer, so everyone wants to look sharp. I have a couple of nuts here, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill them in this. So I have the cashew, pumpkin seed, some walnut here, chia, some oats, and for good practice, you can use almond milk or whatever milk you have, but almond milk, I think it's very good because it's plant-based. Next thing, what we're going to do, we're going to get some mango into this. So we're going to peel our mango. So these end part, you can just cut them off. So I'm just going to get a spoon and just spoon these part out. I'll be adding some Celtic salt for this, just for balance. And I'm going to add some nutmeg also. I'll be adding 1 spoon vanilla extract to this. And now it's time to blend. So at this point, remember to taste it. If you want it a little bit extra sweet, you can put honey in it. But that's the consistency of this. Very rich. I'm just going to try it. Wow, that is perfect. So that's done. So that's your finished product, and you know you can choose your desire glass or jug you want to put it in. So just get your jug and pour them straight in, and the rest I'll put it in some bottle. Now to make it excited, what you can do, there's another thing you can do. Just get some ground almond and just put over the top to decorate it and enjoy it. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Cheers to you all. Beautiful.